Hello. So, for social studies today, we talked about what Christmas is like in America. And because we live in America, we talked specifically about what we do at our houses to celebrate Christmas. We talked about how some people have Christmas trees already, some people don't. We talked about how people hang stockings, some people don't. We talked about outside decorations and inside decorations and cookie making and all the different things that you can possibly do for the holiday for around Christmas time and things that maybe your family does every single year. So we talked about that for a little bit. And then I read a very short little story here. And it's called Christmas in America. Whoops, sorry about that. I'm not very good at this part. Okay, and we read this little book together. So I'm going to start with this one. So it says, Christmas in America. In America, children leave milk and cookies out for Santa. Houses are decorated with Christmas lights. Children open up Christmas presents around the Christmas tree on Christmas morning. So then we talked a little bit more about some of the things that, whether or not we left milk and cookies for Santa. We also talked about whether or not we left carrots for the reindeer. And we had a long conversation about different things that different families do. We talked, some kids said that their families don't put up lights outside. Some families do. We talked about how some families leave other things other than cookies for Santa. Sometimes they leave brownies or other things. We talked about how some families leave reindeer food for the reindeer, and some people leave carrots. So you might want to have a conversation with your mom and dad just about what are your traditions? What are things that you guys do every single year for Christmas time? So then after we did that, we worked on filling out this paper here. And it says Christmas in America. In America, children celebrate Christmas in many ways. Children leave blank and blank out for Santa on Christmas blank. All the words are here. So milk, cookies, Eve. So we said in America, children celebrate Christmas in many ways. Children leave, and we wrote the words cookies and milk here. So we used this word cookies first, and then we used the word milk. So we wrote those on the line right here. And then we said that we leave those out on Christmas Eve, and that would be this bottom word here. And we wrote that right on that line. Then we are going to have you draw a picture about Christmas in America. Something, maybe you could draw a picture of something that you do for Christmas. And then we took this paper, we put our names on it, we folded it in half, and we tucked it inside our suitcase that we made yesterday. And I guess I put my suitcase over with the suitcases. So then we tucked this inside so that we would keep this for another day. We did not get to our Christmas tree project, but if you happen to get to it, what you're going to do is you're going to cut out this big triangle. Okay. And then you are going to color all of these things. And you can use markers, colored pencils, crayons, whatever it is that you would like to use. This, oops, wrong side. This right here is the trunk of the tree. So you're probably going to want to color that brown. Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're going to cut all these pieces out. And these are the little bulbs that go on the tree. And you're going to glue them on top of your Christmas tree shape. You're going to glue your little trunk on, and you're going to glue the star on the top of your tree. And that's basically it for today. It was a pretty short lesson, but we mostly did a lot of conversation about things that we do at home around Christmas time. We all miss you very much, and we can't wait till you come back. And I hope you are having a wonderful evening. Talk to you later, buddy. Bye.